An exciting trip. First, listen and then answer the question. Why is Tim finding this trip exciting? I have just received a letter from my brother Tim. He is in Australia. He has been there for 6 months. Tim is in engineering. He is working for a big firm and he has already visited a great number of different places in Australia. He has just bought an Australian car and has gone to Alice Springs, a small town in the center of Australia. He will soon visit Darwin. From there, he will fly to Perth. My brother has never been abroad before, so he is finding this trip very exciting.